So for years, personal credit has been the backbone of financial decisions. However, here's the hard truth. If you're running a business in 2025 with your personal credit, you could be setting up yourself for failure. It's not personal credit that will go ahead and define your success, but it is business credit. And here's why. So I'm kind of curious, are you leveraging business credit in order to be able to run your business? Or are you still running the risk of using your personal credit to keep your business afloat? So by the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys why business credit is going to matter a lot more than personal credit in 2025. And I'll also share some actionable steps on how you guys can be able to build and leverage it, not only for better opportunities and higher funding, but also peace of mind knowing that you can be able to scale your business without running the risk of using your personal credit. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's face it, in 2025, the business is not as usual. With fluctuating markets, inflation, and also a post-recession recovery, lenders have been rethinking how they actually issue credit. So today, banks and also financial institutions are going to actually go ahead and prioritize businesses that have strongly built business credit profiles compared to a personal guarantee. And you might be asking yourself, why is that? The reason that is because business credit is actually going to show lenders that your company is not only trustworthy, stable, but can also be able to handle the ups and downs of different market cycles. So the main thing that sparked this, right, is that in the last year, there's been over 4 million different small businesses and also side hustles. And it's actually causing them to be able to go ahead and put a magnifying glass in all these different business applications. So that's why they're going to be able to prioritize those businesses to have a stronger built credit profile compared to the ones that are simply just using a personal guarantee. If you're not actively building out a strong business credit profile, then you are going to be falling behind your competition, and it's going to make it very hard to catch up in the next couple of years. I mean, let's face it guys, the numbers speak for itself. Business credit is going to give you guys anywhere from 10 to 100 times more the funding capability that you can be able to have compared to if you just simply use your personal credit score. And this is going to be able to help you guys keep your business afloat, and also it's going to be able to give you guys that flexibility and also the peace of mind knowing that you guys can be able to go ahead and actually run a business without risking your home, your savings, or also your personal credit score. And now if we go ahead and take companies such as Brex, Divvy, and Ramp, they're leading the revolution in 2025, and they're not just offering credit products. These are financial companies which are really focused on being able to offer rewards and perks based off of the business revenue that you're actually having. And that's going to be able to help you guys separate your personal finances from your business finances. And most importantly, right, it's really critical, especially in 2025, you shouldn't be running your business on your personal credit card. You shouldn't be having to go ahead and actually use your emergency savings as you have your personal finances for your business. Then having a strong business credit profile and also having those finances in place is really going to be able to help you guys have that leg room so you guys can be able to navigate any type of downturn. And so at this point, I wouldn't even say it's critical, but it's almost non-negotiable. And coming into 2025, it's not critical, it's literally non-negotiable at this point. So here's the hard truth, guys. You have to understand, right, that personal credit, you guys will be able to get a couple of different personal credit cards and also some business credit cards. So personal credit is great. You might be able to go ahead and get a couple of different personal credit cards and also some business credit cards, but it won't be able to give you guys larger loans for your business, supplier relationships, or even investor confidence that you will need to scale in the long run. So personal credit limits are a lot smaller compared to what business credit can offer you guys. And whenever you guys are actually tying your personal credit to your business, you are running the risk of it possibly going back onto your personal credit score and affecting your everyday finances. So let's imagine you actually have a personal credit card and you go ahead and actually max it out in order to be able to get inventory or possibly even use it for marketing for your business. What happens after that? So what happens, right, is that your personal credit score is going to significantly take a drop. You're suddenly going to get hit with high interest rates and you'll barely be able to go ahead and qualify for a mortgage or even an auto loan. Opposed to you guys having a business account or actually a trade account that you can be able to separate your personal finances from your business. The difference is literally night and day. So business credit is a lot more than just simply getting funded. It'll open up so many different resources that you guys will be able to need in order to be able to scale your business, whether that's actually investing in the marketing, getting a team, and also growing your marketing budget. This allows you to be able to grow your business with the confidence of not having to rely on just simply your cash flow. Now, your business credit score is super important, especially if you guys want to be able to start working with more vendors and also different lenders. They will take a look at your business credit score to be able to ensure that you're actually trustworthy, you're actually reliable, and also you guys are there for the long haul. And that's why you should highly prioritize having a strong business credit profile so you guys can be able to grow your business without taking a big hit as far as interest rates and work with the people you guys want to work with. So in 2025, there's a lot of different financial institutions that are offering different loans and also products simply tied to your business credit. So if you guys are actually having a strong business credit profile, then you'll be able to actually qualify for this, and it will also allow you guys to be able to go ahead and capitalize on a lot of these different opportunities. Now, especially with the changing tide that business is, right? A lot of times you guys don't necessarily know if you're going to be in business next year or even next month. So having your business credit in order is going to give you guys that safety net that you'll need in order to be able to navigate any type of economic tides. So that's really important because especially being a business owner, at the end of the day, guys, you don't necessarily know. So especially being a business owner, and it's so easy to get caught up in the weeds that you're not thinking 2 or 3 years from now when something drastically can happen to your business. So business credit will be that safety line just in case anything does go wrong. So here are some 5 actionable tips you guys can be able to take to make sure you're prioritizing building out a strong business credit profile in 2025. So the first thing that you guys definitely want to do is to simply go ahead and incorporate your business. Whenever you guys go ahead and incorporate it with the Secretary of State, whether it's an LLC, a corporation, an S Corp, a C Corp, you want to be able to go ahead and make sure you're doing that correctly. And then immediately after that, guys, go ahead and set up your business account. Just go ahead and get a business account with any one of the main financial institutions. I highly recommend getting one with Chase just because they do have a lot of different business credit products. So I highly recommend starting out with them. So make sure you guys go ahead and sign up with the main 3, Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Business, and also Experian Business. That way you guys are registered in the system and you guys can start building business credit immediately. Now, the 4th step that I would take is to go ahead and build out business trade lines. Now, this could be anything such as a phone. You can go to Sam's Club. You can be able to get a credit card with them. And so anything that's going to be based off a vendor relationship or even any type of business credit cards, it will be able to help you guys build up your business credit. And the 5th and last step that I would take is to go ahead and actually pay on time. Make sure you guys are always going ahead and paying on time. I know it's really easy just to miss a payment, but you want to make sure all of your different business accounts are in order and you guys stay on top of your business. So here's the bottom line, guys. Entrepreneurs in 2025 that are going to be thriving are not going to be relying on just their personal credit score. It's going to be able to help them clear a lot of different mental real estate, knowing that they have a safety line of having a strong business credit profile, and that way they can be able to run their business a little bit more stressed than possible. You can't be able to eliminate stress in business. It comes with the game, but how you look at it is going to determine exactly where you end up lying. I honestly tell you guys, business credit isn't one of those things that you guys want to put on a back burner. You want to go ahead and start building it immediately so you guys can be able to reap the rewards as soon as possible. So with that being said, guys, that's it for this video. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and get the boy to 10K subscribers. Your boy's on the road to 10K, so I'm definitely trying to go ahead and make sure we get there as soon as possible. And like always, guys, I'll see you at the top, my boy. Let's get it.